Good morning student. Today we will start the unit 2 stereochemistry of organic compounds. This is the three-dimensional structure of organic compounds. So we have completed first unit and we are studying the second unit. So in organic compounds, how are the three-dimensional arrangement and how is this we study here isomerism and different types of isomerism in this unit. Stereochemistry of organic compounds. What is stereochemistry? The branch of chemistry which deals with the three-dimensional structure of molecules and their effect on physical and chemical properties is known as stereochemistry. So what is stereochemistry? The three-dimensional, we are studying about three-dimensional structure of molecules and their effect on physical and chemical properties is known as stereochemistry. Then definition of isomerism. What is isomerism? Different compound having the same molecular formula but difference in the arrangement of atom is called as isomerism. What is isomerism? It is having the same molecular formula but difference in the arrangement of atom is known as isomerism. Types of isomerism. Isomerism of is two types: structural isomerism, stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is again of two types: optical isomerism, geometrical isomerism. Structural isomerism is of chain isomerism, ring chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism and tautomerism. So isomerism fundamentally two types: structural, stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism again two types: optical isomerism, geometrical isomerism, and structural isomerism, chain isomerism, ring, position, functional isomerism, metamerism and tautomerism. So first we will study the structural isomerism. So constitutional or structural isomerism. Isomerism is due to difference in the relative arrangement of atom within the molecule without any reference to space. The phenomena is known as structural isomerism. So it is due to difference in relative arrangement of atom. In other words, in this type of isomerism, the compounds having same molecular formula but have different structural formula. Next, space isomerism or stereoisomerism. This isomerism is due to different arrangement of atoms or group in space. In other words, stereoisomers have the same structural formula but have different configuration. Is known as space isomerism or stereoisomerism. Next types of structural isomerism. First is nuclear or chain isomerism. When two or more compounds have the same molecular formula but have difference in the structure of the carbon chain, may be straight chain or branch chain, the compound are called as chain isomerism and the phenomena is known as chain isomerism. For example, C4H10, butane, formula is C4H10. So N-butane and isobutane, these are the two isomers of butane. Formula is C4H10. So carbon are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and hydrogen are 10. In both the structure, there are 4 carbons and 10 atoms of hydrogen. See here 4 carbons, 10 hydrogens. Here also 4 carbons and 10 hydrogens. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the isomers of butane. Next here N-pentanol, same thing. 2 isomers of pentane. Or here they are having 3 isomers: chain isomer, N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane. There are 3 isomers of pentane. So both three are having the formula C5H10. So carbons are 5 and hydrogens are 12 in the both the 3 structures. Then ring chain isomerism. When the compounds have the same molecular formula but one of the compound has open chain of carbon atom whereas the other has closed chain of carbon atom, the compounds are called ring chain isomers. The phenomena is known as ring chain isomerism. For example, C3H6 represent two ring chain isomers. Example, so propene and cyclopropane. Propene, so in circular it is cyclopropane. Both are having same molecular formula. Here C4H10 has 2 chain isomers, butene 1 and cyclobutane. These are having, both are having same number of carbon atom and same number of hydrogen atom. Next is position isomer. Isomers which have the same carbon chain but differ in the position of substituent atom or group such as chlorine, bromine, iodine, OH, NO2, NH2. So double bond or triple bond are called as position isomer. The position of is different. So it is one chlorine is in one position, here chlorine is in 2 position. Both are having same molecular formula. Here propanol 1. So OH is in one position, propanol 2, OH is in second position. Both are having same molecular formula. Here butene 1, butene 2. Here double bond is in one position, here double bond is in second position. All are having same molecular formula. Only the position of the substituent groups are different. It is known as position isomerism. Then functional isomerism, when the compounds are the same molecular formula but different functional group, the compound are called as functional isomerism, and the phenomena is known as functional isomerism. For example, here N-butyl alcohol and diethyl ether. Here the alcoholic functional group, here there is ether functional group. Both are having the same formula C4H10O, but the functional group are different. Here alcoholic and here ether. Here OH group is there and here ROR group is there, but both are having the same molecular formula. Next, propanol and pentanol 2 and propanol 1. So here we are seeing, here having aldehyde group, here you are having ketone group, here you are having alcoholic group. All are having same molecular formula. Here acetic acid and methyl format, these both are having same molecular formula, but here it is acid group, here it is ester group is there, RCOR, here ester group is there here, but both are having same molecular formula and is known as functional isomerism. Next, metamerism, when the compounds belong to the same class but have different arrangement of alkyl groups to the same functional group, the compounds are called as metamers, and the phenomena is known as metamerism. For example, diethyl ether and methyl propyl ether and methyl isopropyl ether. What is the arrangement of alkyl groups to the functional group? It is belong to the same class. The compound belong to the same class but have different arrangement of alkyl groups to the same function. Functional group in both these cases are same. Here also ether, here also ether. Here the alkyl groups are ethyl, but here methyl and propyl groups. So the R groups are different and the functional groups are same. Here also R groups are different and functional group are same. All are having ether group, but the alkyl groups are different. Here also diethyl ketone. So here also the R groups are different. Here ethyl and ethyl. Here RCOR. Here also RCOR and here also RCOR. Here methyl and here isopropyl. And here methyl and N-propyl ketone is there. But all these cases, all are having same molecular formula. But here the alkyl groups, alkyl groups are different. Here in metamerism, functional groups are same. Next, tautomerism. It is a special type of function in which compounds remain in equilibrium of two forms. These forms arise due to the migration of proton from one polyvalent atom to another with necessary arrangement of linkages. The two forms are always in a state of dynamic equilibrium. Nitroethane is formed in two tautomeric forms, nitroform and acid form. Here nitroform and acid form. This is known as tautomerism. Here hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen isocyanide, both are in equilibrium with ether. Here acetoacetic ester, this is in keto form, this is in enolic form. So these are having different. So it is a special type of function in which the compound remained in equilibrium mixture of two forms. So it is depending in the equilibrium mixture of two forms. This form arises due to the migration of proton from one polyvalent atom to another. So this type of isomerism is known as tautomerism. Thank you.